Hello everyone, my topic is DIC. DIC stands for District Industries Centers. So, the District Industries Center was launched on 1 May 1978 with the view to providing an integrated administrative framework at the district level, which would look at the problem of industrialization in the district in a composite manner. In a composite manner means a composite is defined as something made up of multiple parts. So, in a different ways, they will give us the solution. So, uh, the DICs are envisaged as a single interacting agency at the district level, providing service and support to the uh, small entrepreneurs under a single roof. So, what is mean by envisaged? Envisaged means which is to think of something as being possible in the future. So DICs are implementing arm of the central and state government of the various schemes and programs. Registration of the small industries is done at the Industries Center and PMRY. So the Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana, everything comes under this DIC. Uh, the organizational structure of DICs consists of general manager, functional manager, and the project manager. They will provide us the technical services in the areas relevant to the needs of the district concerned. So all these DICs, whatever this functions comes under DICs operations, everything it is handled by the particular state government. So the nature of the support is information and consultancy services, industrial inputs. What is the objectives now? Why did they create the DICs? DICs are created to promote cottage and small scale industries in the rural area or small towns, to help the entrepreneurs with all information under one roof, to serve as a integrated administrative framework at district level for development. So these are the main objectives of the DICs. Now, functions, how they are functions: to prepare and keep model project profiles for reference of the entrepreneurs. So they will prepare and keep ready like blueprints, maybe suitable schemas, everything. They will ready-madely they'll prepare and they'll give so that the entrepreneurs can use it for the further reference. Second point, to prepare action plan to implement the schemas effectively already identified. So they will help us to identify the suitable schemes, later how to implement, where we have to use it, everything they will help. To guide entrepreneurs in matters relating to selecting the most appropriate machinery and equipment, sources of its supplies and procedure for importing machineries. So when we start an company, there may be a requirement of any machinery items and all. If we will be the new person to that field, so we can be cheated by some other people by giving duplicate parts, and to avoid that, these DIC people, they will give us the information where we have to buy the machinery, what type of machinery we have to buy, every information we will be getting. So fifth point is to provide guidance for appropriate loan amount and documentation. To start a company, to buy a machinery parts, whatever may be the requirements, we will be in need of a finance. So they will help us to uh, take a loan and documentation for that loan, etc. 6 point, to assist entrepreneurs for availing land and shed equipments and tools, furnitures and fixtures. So what is availing land? Availing means to take the benefit of. So they will help us to take the benefit of the land and do whatever we can use. We, we can use that for our purpose. To appraise the worthiness of the project proposals received from the entrepreneurs, to help the entrepreneurs in obtaining required license or permits or clearance, to assist the entrepreneurs in marketing their products and access the possibilities of acceleration, to conduct product development work appropriate to small industry, to help the entrepreneur in clarifying their doubts about the worthiness of about the matters of operations of bank accounts, submission of monthly, quarterly and annual returns of the government departments to conduct artisan training program. See, some work can be, we have everything we can't do in machinery. Some work there will be a requirement of doing man-made, handmade. So artisan meaning a person who makes things skillfully, especially with his or her hands. So when a employee operates with the machine, he should be skillful with that. He should be expertise. He should learn how to operate that machine. So they will conduct this maybe workshop or programs to teach them how they should do with that work, to act as a nodal agency for the district for implementing PMRY. PMRY stands for Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, to help the specialized training organizations to conduct entrepreneur development programs. So thank you. These are the functions of DIC.